Hi, my name's Sally Dezek. I'm one of the owners at the Mesa Verde Motel, a boutique motel located in Mancos, Colorado, on Highway 160 in the Four Corners region of Colorado. We're about 30 miles from Durango and about 15 miles from Cortez. Myself, my husband, and my best friend Sonia and her husband, we all purchased the motel in November of 21. It was an operating motel at the time, very old school, very traditional, well kept and tidy, which is why we wanted to purchase it. We spent the first year renovating the motel. The second year we added a bar and lounge, and the third year we opened a coffee shop also. Myself, Sally, was very honored and excited to win an award this year from the Governor's Conference. It was the Frontline Hospitality Award for Excellence in Tourism and Hospitality in Colorado. So when we renovated the property, we did not change the floor plans of the rooms. However, we changed the entire aesthetic of the room, carpet, paint, curtains, everything. We worked with an interior design company called State, based out of Fort Collins, and we also worked with a wonderful artist called Saint No, based out of Tucson. The overall aesthetic and theme of our boutique motel is retro Americana with modern creativity. We didn't want to lose the soul of what this place is, which is at its core a roadside motel, but we needed to bring it into this century. This is our family suite, which features the same artwork from Saint No, a king bed for parents or caregivers, and then in the second room here, we have a sweet little setup for the kids with bunk beds, a little teepee, and a reading corner. Our property consists of 16 rooms, which are made up of king rooms, queen rooms, and double rooms. And we have one very special, unique room. So hotels and motels don't usually have a room 13 or a floor 13. When we purchased the motel, this room on the end was wildly different to all the other rooms. It had different flooring, different wall texture, different bathroom, everything. So we were unsure how we were going to get it to be the same as the others. And then we decided that we wouldn't get it the same. And the ideas kind of just snowballed into having a room 13. And we drew inspiration from the dark skies over Mesa Verde National Park and some of the folklore and stories from this area. And it evolved into a galaxy-themed room per se. So we have 3 dog-friendly rooms that we allow pets in. The charge for the dogs is included in the room. We also have a little care basket for the dogs over here. When we bought the motel, this space was a covered patio and an old garage. We have since transformed it into a coffee shop, bar and lounge. It is available to all our guests, the general public, and anybody passing through. Our coffee is roasted locally by Easy Roasters in Durango, and we use as many local farmers and producers as we can for all our food. We use organic milk and high quality products across the board. Thank you for coming on this tour of Mesa Verde Motel, your boutique accommodation in Southwest Colorado. This is a dream realized, and we can't wait to share it with you and hope you book with us soon.